Good morning, everyone. In this video, we will be talking about the art of diary writing. Maintaining a diary is very much essential, basically for students, those are preparing seriously for some competitive exams. Okay, for serious aspirants, it's a part and parcel for preparation. I started writing diary nearly 4 years ago when I first was in my college during graduation. Then I started writing diary, and I did lot of experiments on diary writing, and it took me 2 to 3 years to come a perfect shape of diary writing, and I will be sharing you the not the failures actually. I tried many many form of diary. Okay, so weekly schedule, yearly schedule, etc. So finally, I found a particular technique that came to be very much essential for me and very much effective for me. Okay, I will be sharing that. Hope this will help you, and this is you are listening this, and it will be worth it if you follow this, because it's 4 to 5 years of experience you are getting through this 4 to 5 minutes of video. Okay, so uh, in diary writing, first, in a page of diary, okay, what I write, I make three segments of one page. Okay, suppose this is a page, and uh, okay, so this is my diary, and how I write diary, uh, I'm telling you one by one. Okay, first, there are three segments of one page of a diary. First segment includes my good habits. I have selected some good habits that I'm going to follow every day. That includes exercise, meditation, pranayam, and some spiritual persons can opt for pujas, etc. Reading self improvement books or books in not related to a syllabus. These things adds value in life, in daily life. Okay, so in one segment, I write for good habits. In one box, one check box, I write suppose exercise, then meditation. So 4 5 things I write in good habits section in one page. Okay, in that same page, in another side, I write some check boxes for bad habits. Suppose some unnecessary expense, some junk food, etc. So for me, in my college life, it was a bad habit of consuming junk foods. So uh, a particular day, I would be following some good habits. I would not be following some bad habits. I will try to avoid some bad habits. So total, I had 10 points. Okay, so 10 check boxes, six, seven nearly about good habits, and three, four bad habits. So suppose consumption of junk food. So in a particular day, on that day, if I able to restrict myself consuming junk food, then I would tick that. Okay, so good habits, one good habit you follow, just tick there. So one segment is good habit, one segment is bad habit. So total 10 boxes you have. Okay, every day of diary you should have some good habits, some bad habits. Good habits you want to follow, bad habits you want to restrict yourself. Okay, this good habit and bad habit is the half part of my diary in each day. In the next part, I used to write my daily goals related to my competitive exams or my daily schedules. It includes some additional work. Suppose I have a class to teach someone, teach my students for classes. Okay, or I have to meet somebody, I have to go somewhere. Plus my daily work, and that will lead to my goal. Okay, so all this include in the next part of the diary. On the same page in the bottom part. So there are also first maybe one checkbox, one box, and you can write. You have to solve 100 questions on this topic. Next, you have to read these pages, this chapter. You have to complete this chapter. You have to revise this, etc., etc. So This is the format of my diary. Three segment. First segment good habits. Second segment bad habit. Good habit includes 6 to 7 points. Depends vary on people. Next is bad habits, and the last one is daily tasks related to my work and studies. So total in a day, total I had good habits, bad habits, totally 10, and other 5 or 6 extra points related to my study or work. So 15 to 16. And what I used to do, I used to tick mark. Once I complete something, I used to tick mark them. So after the finish of a day, at night, I used to count the point. Suppose I have written total 20 check boxes. I have total 10 good habit, bad habit, and 10 extra works. So out of 20, I could have ticked. I could have completed. Suppose 16. So overall, I then count my efficiency with the formula that tick marked checkboxes by total checkboxes into 100. So this is my efficiency. Okay, so in this efficiency section I used to follow 80% or more than 80% efficient in a day. And it's obvious that in some days of week you will not be able to follow. Your efficiency will be 30%, 40%. It's okay, one day in a week, it's obviously okay. And nothing wrong in that. But consistently your efficiency should be 75% or 80% or higher. Okay, so that's why I maintain my diary. I am maintaining my diary from a long time, and even now I am doing the same, and that is very much beneficial for me. Hope it will help you. So every day, make three sections: good habit, bad habit, and daily goals. Okay, then count your efficiency every night. This will remind you that what to do, what action to be taken, and what's wrong with this day, how can it be improved. There will be a psychological thinking going on that how you can improve yourself, and you will have an urge to attain maximum efficiency. Okay, this helps a lot and this will make you productive. Hope it will help you. Thank you.